In this video we're looking at how to use the Engage Parent portal to book open house meetings with teachers. The first thing is, if you are invited to an open house and your child has one, you will find that there is a message in your inbox inviting you to the open house with a link to book appointments for your child. So you can either click on the link here or simply click on the button Book Open House. Inside the open house window you will find a list of all of the teachers that your child has and booking times that are available to book with them. Simply click on the time slot that you would like on the Book Time button. That will make your booking for you. You can then do this for each of the teachers that teach your child. If you have booked all of the available appointments, the system will send you a message to say that your booking is complete. You will see the note here, and also you will receive a message to tell you you have completed your open house booking. We highly recommend that parents see as many teachers as they possibly can. So that is how you would book an appointment for open house. If you have to change your mind and change your booking, simply click on Undo Booking to make the slot available again. You can then make the new booking at a different time, and again it will tell you that your bookings are complete.